Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hira Ishfaq. I am from MS Chemistry. Today we will discuss about the topic digital twin technology in coal mining. First of all, I am going to discuss introduction of digital twin. I am going to telling about the introduction. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical object, system and also a process. This digital model uses real-time data and other sources to mirror and simulate the behavior and also character of its physical counterpart. Digital twins are used in various industries include manufacturing industries, healthcare industries and smart cities to improve performance, predict outcomes and also optimize operations. And second, we are going to discuss the key points of digital twin. There are many key points mentioned about the digital twin. I am going to discuss here. Physical entity, digital model, data, analytics and interactions all are the key components of digital twins. First of all, I am going to discuss physical entity. Physical entity is the real world object or system being replicated. Second is digital model, the visual representation that includes the physical and functional characteristics of the entity. The third is data. Data collect informations and sensors and other data sources that reflect the current state of the physical entity. The fourth is analytics. In analytics, we study about algorithms and tools that use to analyze the data and predict future states or behavior. And the last point is interaction. The ability to interact with the digital twin, often through simulations or visualizations, to make informed decisions. On the other hand, we are going to discuss about the digital twin technology in coal mining. We also discuss the work of digital twin in coal mining. So, digital twin in coal mining are used to enhance operational efficiency, also safety and productivity. Here, the key applications of digital twin technology in coal mining are mentioned here. I am going to discuss all the key points. First of all, first key point is mine planning. Second is predictive maintenance, and third is safety about hazard identifications. In mine planning, a digital twin that help in creative accurate models of the mine, aiding in better planning and resource allocations. And the predictive maintenance, by continuously monitoring equipment, digital twins can predict failure before they happens. It is also work about reducing downtime and maintenance costs. And the work of digital twin technology in coal mining in the point of hazard identifications is that real-time monitoring and simulations can help identify potential hazards and unsafe conditions. It is also work about allowing for proactive measures. Key applications. Key applications of digital twin technology in coal mining. There are many points. First is training. Second is process optimization. In training, visual simulations using digital twins can train workers. Visual simulations digital twins को यूज़ करते हैं can train workers को train करने के लिए in a safe controlled environment. Also use as improving their readiness for actual mining conditions. Productivity and processes optimization. In optimization, by analyzing the data from the digital twin, the mining operations can be optimized for better output and reduce waste. The third point I also want to discuss. It is about resource management. In resource management, accurate tracking of resource extraction and usage helps in better management and conservation of resources. Now we are going to discuss about the components. In components, there are also many key points we are going to discuss. The name is that data collection. Second is modeling and simulation. In data collection, sensors and LED devices are used to collect data from various parts of the mining operations, including machinery, environmental conditions, and also worker activities. But in modeling and simulations, advanced software tool create detailed model of the mine and simulate different scenarios to predict outcomes and optimize processes. Both they are very important components in coal mining. Next, analytics, visualization. In analytics, big data analytics and machine learning. And in visualization, 3D models can use and help making it easier to understand complex data and scenarios. Benefits is that first of all we discuss about enhanced decision making, second cost reduction, third is increased safety. In enhanced decision making, real-time data and predictive analysis help in making informed decision quickly. But in cost reduction, improved efficiency and predictive maintenance. And in increased safety, training improve worker safety. These points both all important for coal mining. After all, we are discuss about sustainability. Sustainability is better resource management lead to more sustainable practice.